Remember the times we had, the times that you and me had.
Yo, Kim with Silk Jin, Kim with no Jin, Jin with no Kim, 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 Kim.
Long way from the playground.
I have loved you since we were 18.
私も欲しい。
Thank you. 성격이 약간 시원한.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
안전한 방송 부탁드린다고요? 알았어요. 여러분들이 원하시면 진짜 여러분들 약속은 지킵니다. 정글 이 은근 재밌네. 스테이 농락.
Hey, how y'all?
Get your fucking dog, bitch!
It don't bite.
Yes, it do!
Okay, let's go. Go!
Tanhyung, what you just made is awesome. Louis likes that a lot. Oh.
Got up and walked to the door, and I saw it.
On the beat, I don't punch it. I'm a pop it dance.
You guys are sick. Feel free to sit down whenever you want, okay? Okay. No 하면 되는데. No!
Young Moolah, baby.
You thought it was over?
I wasn't born last night.
Yo, Jimin, where's my milk?
I'm at an all-time low.
Okay, this is what ATs would wear part 2. And also, if I was their stylist, this is what I would give them because I know this is what they would be comfortable with. And that's a fact. This is for our Disney prince, none other than Yo Song. You know you would wear this. Hire me. It's giving Mingy and add clear glasses. It's giving Songhua, add red lip tint and one earring. If this ain't Hongjoon, just add a beret. Classic Jongo, just add earrings. That's it. On God, this is Woo Young. Like literally, even the shirt is open. This is San, the leather jacket, the turtleneck. But yeah, I know the way San is built, he would wear this. He would. Also, he would wear this. I know it.
This bitch.
Friend said, you're gonna say, "Ayo, like Keen." I say no. I say no because I want to shot.
Bye bye, I love you. You're the sweetest thing in the world. For real. No cap. Like, seriously.
Flip the kill switch. JoJo, pose, pose, pose. JoJo, pose, pose, pose. JoJo, pose, pose.
여러분들, 지금 여러분들이 해야 할 거가 뭐죠?
Hey! Whoa! 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 Hey! Hey! Hey!
最後の今日。
깜짝이야!
びっくり。びっくりした。
안 보고 있는 줄 알았어.
見てないと思ってました。
Let me hear you say way-ho. I say boom, boom, boom. Now everybody say way-ho. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way-ho.
Christopher is homeschooled. After he finishes his high school studies, he wants to become a singer and travel the world. He says his biggest achievement so far is performing in front of a small audience. Besides singing, he also plays basketball and soccer. Last but
3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want, and you can call me names if you call me up. 3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want, and you can call me names if you call me up.
Damn, what should I say? You wanna be all my boys? All my boys say hell yeah! Wait, okay, let's do a competition. All my ladies say hell yeah! All my boys say hell yeah!
If I have a son, I'm gonna name him 11. Because he's gonna dance better than you.
Okay, I'm gonna take good care.
And he's gonna sing better than you.
You know, when I have a son, I'm gonna teach him like 5 languages and then like dance class every day and then as a hobby.
Wait,
I won't force him.
If he has a son,
dude, but why are we talking about having a baby?
Oh my god, huh?
We're still so young. Why are we talking about having a son or like?
I don't know. Anything could happen. Oh my god, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
What?
What?
Oh, Yang, he's crazy.
Okay, so it's raining really hard outside and I wanted to do something. 건배하지 like a